Today on CyberPeace TV, we are going to discuss one question. How secure are your WhatsApp chats? Calling WhatsApp a controversial platform is an understatement. Despite messages on WhatsApp being end-to-end encrypted, there have been many instances of chats getting leaked. As a user, we have to make sure that we are doing the most to keep our account secure. That means knowing what information is being shared and how it is done. After all, if our account is compromised, then our data will be leaked. Now, a question arises. Are WhatsApp conversations private? WhatsApp messages are end-to-end encrypted, which basically means that only the sender and the receiver can read those messages. But like any other app, it is vulnerable to cyber threats. If a hacker has managed to inject spyware on your device, then the hacker can decrypt your message. Now the interesting thing is that most of the people don't even know that they are hacked, and by the time they realize it, it's too late. So let's try to understand some of these things. Can anyone read my deleted WhatsApp messages? By default, WhatsApp messages are backed up on the cloud. So even if you have deleted your message, you can get access to those messages. WhatsApp users can delete a message by using the delete for everyone button within an hour after sending. But if the receiver has already read the message, then they can take a screenshot or they might back up the message on the cloud. There are also third-party apps that can retrieve deleted messages that have been exchanged with others. In addition, the possibility of hackers will still be present in the vicinity of your device. Can WhatsApp messages be deleted permanently? The short answer is no. WhatsApp chats are two-way, which means that even if you delete your messages, the receiver may still have them. Even if you choose to delete messages for all, there is always the possibility that the receiver took a screenshot or took a backup of the chat. Now, how can I secure my WhatsApp? Switch on security notifications and settings to increase security by receiving a warning if the security code changes for some reason. Some very common things you can do are enable two-step verification, never share your 6-digit SMS verification code, disable cloud backup, don't click on links shared by a stranger or share sensitive and confidential information. Also, make sure to report and block spammers. And also one more question, how do I delete my WhatsApp account from my previous phone? To delete your WhatsApp account, go to settings, account, and then delete my account option. According to WhatsApp, if you move from an iOS to an Android device while using the same phone number, your contact history will remain the same, but you won't be able to transfer messages between platforms. Deleting your account erases messages history, removes you from groups, and deletes your backup data. If you are changing your number, then delete your WhatsApp account with the previous number, install the app and make account by using your new number. How do you know that your WhatsApp is scanned? WhatsApp users can conveniently connect their devices by installing and enabling the WhatsApp web app. Settings, WhatsApp web on your desktop, find it and you'll get it. Scanning a QR code that appears on your laptop screen syncs your devices. When the green chat screen appears on your laptop, you know your device has been scanned. If you think that someone has access to your account, log out of all your active web sessions in WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So how long are WhatsApp messages stored for? WhatsApp claims that after a user's messages are sent, they are erased from the company's servers. Chats, pictures, recordings, voice messages, and files are all included in this. However, messages stay on the devices of individuals in the chat. Now, every chat application, no matter how secure they claim to be, is vulnerable to the threats a hacker imposes. Make sure you have checked all the security options to protect your messages and media files from getting leaked. Manually check security features so you know what is going on with the account. Also, make sure to share this information with your friends, family, and your known circle. For more information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp at 957 000 0066. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to CyberPolice TV and we'll see you soon in another cyber secure episode.